Hello everyone, welcome to SAKO Factory. Today I will introduce our all-in-one product workshop for you. You can see here is our production line, and I will introduce the all-in-one product, how to make it. The first step you can see here is an empty case and some wires in it. The all-in-one is made up for two parts. The first part is lithium battery, and the second part is a solar inverter. Let us show you some details. This part is lithium battery, and you can see there are many cells here, and we use the connector to connect all cells to make a whole. And then we will input the solar inverter here, and then these two parts together to make a whole all-in-one. After the assemble, we will have three steps for testing. The first is finish the product testing. We will test the input and output of the solar panel and grid and the load. You can see we connect the wires with the testing machine and the product. And then the product date will show on the screen. Okay, after the finished product testing, we will have the second testing, the aging testing. Here is our aging testing room. You can see there are many products are here waiting for testing. We will take 2 hours or take 10 hours for 2 cycles for these products, and to make sure they can runs good when the customer receive them. After the aging testing, we will go to the last testing step. Is we will retest them. We will retest them to make sure no problem after the aging testing. After 2 cycles, okay. And after all testing, we will pack we will use the wooden case to pack all-in-one product to make sure there is no risk in shipping. Okay, that is all of the all-in-one products. Welcome to inquiry, welcome to order. Thank you.